people, welcome once again, my honey OGs. This is your favorite carrier of good news, your usual Auntie Eva Abiambo Obuna. So today I'm introducing to you the bedroom mood. What did I say? Bedroom what? Mood. So when I start getting serious, I said things are starting to get hot. See, I'm not smiling, I'm not joking, I'm so serious, my beloveds. So this is the thing. Women are notorious in bullying men in the bedroom. Yeah? We are notorious at bullying men and getting our way with what we want using sex. So today, Manze, I'm going to teach you how to have a better bedroom mood. In the bedroom, hakuna kununa. There is nothing like you are fuming as you're going to your bedroom. The bedroom is a happy place, an erotic space. That one we have already said and we already agreed. If you want to fume, sleep in the living room or in the guest room. Hello? Did you hear me? You don't have to fume for your man. You don't have to use sex to blackmail your man. Yeah? So our bedroom mood must be a very happy mood. Whether you are on your periods or not, it is a happy space because we have said it is not a must to have sex. Yeah? But the mood of the bedroom should be a happy mood. Always. When you have a fight, the penis and the vagina did not have any war. Okay? Give them their rights. You have no say on that. Sawa? Oh geez. You have no say on what the vagina wants and on what the penis wants. You have no say. Give them their rights. So if you are fighting, can you leave the war zone and come to the bedroom, a happy space? Okay? So just fight in the living room, go and fight in the kitchen, go and fight outside, go and fight somewhere else. But get a happy face in the bedroom. Not that one that you are just displaying, but come to the bedroom with a clean heart. Yeah? Your heart must be very clean and must be willing to be your partner's partner. Yeah? There is something we call your partner's partner. That means you're not just partner by saying, but you are a partner by action. Yeah? Because this love that you have overrules any other thing and you remain just the two of you with bare souls and you are clicking and you are connecting deeply. Are we together? So when you get to the bedroom, every other fight, every other war remains behind the bedroom what? The bedroom doors. Yeah? Yeah? You can have a very dirty and serious war out there, but come to the bedroom and change that. Also, the bedroom is a place of making peace with your partner. Yeah? Because sexual intercourse will always create that atmosphere of forgiveness. Okay? Okay? Are we together up to there? Yeah? But do not misuse sex. Do not misuse sex for doing bad things out there just because you're going home to have sex and have her forgive you. No. That one is exploitation. Sexual exploitation. We are not doing that. We are not advising on that. Rather, what I'm saying is always consider your partner. Yeah? Always consider who? Your partner. See, you said in health and in sijui what. Whatever those things mean, I've never said those things. I don't know what they mean. I don't know what they are. But this is your partner for life. Yeah? This is someone you want to spend your life with. You men do not misuse sex just because you're coming back home and you're gonna have sex with her and an intense one to get her to forgive you. No. Just fight in the living room, malizeni story zenyu in the living room, and when you come to the bedroom, make sure you leave them behind. Do not carry them forward to the bedroom. If you want to carry them forward, forget about it. Come to the bedroom, just love each other, and then tomorrow pick it from wherever you left. Yeah, start that vita again, start that war again, until the day you finish, that is. Yeah. And again, let me tell you something. When you are so deep into your partner, you will always think twice before you hurt them. Yeah. Avoid scandals, avoid hearsays. I heard. You heard from where? You heard from whom? Who is in your payroll that you are paying out there to see what your husband is doing, to see what your woman is doing? No one, right? No one. Sindio? Yeah? So for healthy relationships, get into the bedroom with an apple mood. Yeah? An erotic mood. That mood, you can swing your hips. Yeah? You can dance. You can always have some cool music, some cool love music to heal yourself after that war. Yeah? Have that sweet music in the bedroom and just dance off. Just dance off and sing along with the love music and everything. Yeah? Stroke her hair. Assure her that she's the only one, or whatever happens, you are there to stay, and you are her man. Yeah? And you are his woman. Yeah? Can you have an assuring mood? A mood that assures your partner. Yeah? You can always dance. Dancing is the kind of mood that heals these bad moods that you get during the day. Yeah? Yeah? It heals mapema sana, mapema, very early, mapema sana. I've said mapema, it heals. Yeah? And it's very, very healthy. Also, it brings you much closer. Right? Yeah? You can have massages. A massage is a mood that you bring yourself. Just take some little oil, castor oil if you can have castor oil, or if you can have olive oil. Warm it kiasi, just warm it kidogo. Come and tower your stress through massage. Get your spouse massaged. Communicate through massage. Yeah? Communicate your anger through it all. Massage this person until your anger goes away. Yeah? And you transform your angry mood into a happy and erotic mood. Are we together, people? Are we together? Are we together? I'm not saying we misuse our lives out there and come and ride on sex. No. Again, when you are at war, you will never, ever, ever, ever have satisfying sex. Yeah? Hakuna kitu kama hiyo. That is the only time that your woman will have kitu inaitwa dry orgasms. Do you know why? Because she will not even allow you to touch her. Yeah? I've always talked of the foreplay, the on-play, and the afterplay. Yeah? So when you are at war, that is the moment you come like pinduka huku. Turn this side. You turn her like a gunia of waru. Yeah? And you want to do your thing and finish up. Believe me, let me tell you the truth. That is when your woman will have kitu inaitwa dry orgasms. Yeah? And then she will tell you, maliza unifunike. Is that what we really want? It's so demeaning. Like that man will feel like, what did I do? Deep down, he even feels like he raped his woman. Yeah? It's a very, very awkward feeling. That you came, you turned her like gunia ya waru, you did whatever you wanted to do, and you got satisfied, and she's just there. She didn't get satisfied, and she's like, finish up and cover me up. I don't want to feel this cold. Rather, I don't want to feel your scent. Rather, I don't want to feel your warmth. Are we together? Yeah? In moments of goodness, these are the times that we do what? We want to feel their warmth. You don't even have to cover yourself. When you have satisfied your woman, you don't even need to cover them. And it starts with that good mood, my people. Yeah? I've just called you OGs, original gangsters of holiness. Yeah? This is it. We are getting in the bedroom with an apple mood. Sambamba? With a mood of love. I'm talking of an apple mood because an apple is that can love fruit. Yeah? Sawa sawa? So what did we say? You can shake your butt around him. You can dance to some music. You can sing along some love song. You can massage your way out of anger. You massage each other rather than kufanya nini? Turning this person like a gunia of Irish potatoes. Do whatever you want to do. Finish up and covering her up. Instead of that, replace that with wanting to feel your warmth. You hold each other until you fall asleep, and you return in the middle of the night that you want to cover yourself. Yeah? Are we together? Up to there. Until next time. I love you guys. Thank you for the support. Blessings. Yo.